Would you like to learn how to make these cute little ghost earrings? They're super fast to make and super duper easy. And yes, you can make them too. And you can customize them as you like. So here we go. Let's get started. You're going to need some dishy yarn. I have this gigantic cone because I use a lot of white yarn. So this is 100% cotton yarn. I got it from Crochet. So go get yourself some awesome yarn. They're very, very affordable and super duper soft. You will also need some scissors, a tapestry needle, or some kind of needle that fits through that little hole of your earrings. I got these earrings. These are stainless steel earrings, hyperallergenic from Amazon. I have all the links down below for those. I also am going to use this fabric paint. I also got this from Amazon. It's great for many different purposes, not just making faces, but also for like anti-slip for your slippers. If you make some of those, I have a tutorial for that on my YouTube channel as well. And last but not least, we're also going to need a hook. I have a size D over here. So go get your hook and then let's get started now. To start to crochet ghost earrings, you're going to start with a magic ring. I cross my yarn over my two fingers, then let it go, and then grab the yarn with my hook through, reorganize my yarn, and then put my ring finger in the circle and then make a chain. And then I'm going to add 8 single crochets into the ring. Once finished, you're going to close up your loop, pull nice and tight, and then I like using the end as my stitch marker, so I'll make a little loop and put the yarn right between the last and the first stitch of the row. Now we're going to go in continuous around, so I'm not going to make a slip stitch. So we're going to go first right into the first stitch. You're going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch, and you're going to do that for 5 rounds. So simply 1 single crochet per stitch, 5 rounds in total. And I'll see you back here after that. Once you did your 5 rounds, you are going to do a little expansion. What we're going to do is simply do a double crochet in the first stitch and a half double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, simply just place a single crochet, and then you repeat that. So double crochet, half double crochet, in the next stitch, just a single crochet. And now you're going to do that all the way till the end. Once you're finished, cut your yarn. And instead of making a slip stitch, we're going to make a seamless join. So you're going to pull out your yarn right here, and you are going to use your needle and go through from the back to the front, like so. And then you're going back into the stitch where you came from, but from the top down to the back, like so. That is now replicating a V, so that way you're closing up the gap. Now what you're going to do is just weave in your end. We're going to use this part of the yarn to add our earring. Now you're going to take your piece of yarn with the needle right here, and you're going to put it back to the other side. Make sure it doesn't come through the same spot, but kind of like almost through the hole, like so. Just put it back over here. And now we're going to take our earring and we're going to put our yarn through. And here's the thing, you have to make sure that both of these have about the same length. So you want to make sure they're both the same length. So kind of insert it a little bit further over so it's not the same spot, otherwise you're going to pull the yarn back through. It's nice to split your yarn a little bit while you're putting it through. Just come back out on the other side like so. Now once you're done so, you kind of adjust it and hold it next to your other earring and just kind of see to make sure they're about the same length, right? It's like so. And now you need to make a knot somewhere. It's on the inside, so nobody's going to see it, so don't worry. Make sure you hold your earring here in the back so you're not pulling it while you're making your knot. Once you made your knot, you then just weave in the rest of your yarn just for a little bit, and then you cut it. Okay, so once you've done that, it's going to look like this. So pretty much exactly the same way as your first. So you know you have to make two, obviously. If you have two ears, you should make two. So now what you're going to do is you kind of hold your earring like so. Let it kind of balance out. And wherever the front part of your earring is, right, that points to the front, you are going to place your face. So that would be for me right here. So I'm going to squish it down like so. And I'm going to use my fabric paint and make a couple dots, actually 3 dots. I want to make sure it's about the same as I did over here. So you kind of just hold it there, put your dollops right there. Remember, this takes about 24 hours to cure, and make it about the same as the first one. You can make it a little bigger if you like. So looks a little more scary, right? There you go. And now you are done and you made your cute little earrings. So adorable. Absolutely love it. And they're perfect for the Halloween season. So go make your own little earrings. If you like the written pattern, go ahead and check out the description. There is a link down below in the description. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm sure the ghosts are going to agree with that, and turn on the little bell. Otherwise, they're going to boo and scare you away. Anyways, that's a little joke, Halloween joke, right? Come on, laugh with me. Anyways, I hope to see you next time for another amazing tutorial, and they're all free on my YouTube channel. Until then, I'll see ya. Bye!